This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce with milk. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk, whisking constantly to avoid any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring until it thickens slightly. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. Now, let's elevate the flavor. Stir in 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it melts smoothly into the sauce. For an aromatic boost, sauté 1 clove of minced garlic and 1/4 of a small onion in a separate pan before adding them to your milk sauce. Fresh herbs, such as 2 tablespoons of chopped basil or 1 tablespoon of oregano, can be stirred in at the very end for a vibrant finish. This step truly makes a difference. You can easily customize your milk pasta sauce. If the sauce is too thin, simmer it gently for a few more minutes to reduce. If it's too thick, whisk in an additional 1/4 cup of warm milk until it reaches your desired consistency. Feel free to add cooked chicken, shrimp, or sautéed mushrooms for a heartier meal. Always taste your sauce before serving and adjust salt, pepper, or other spices as needed to perfect the flavor profile. Once your delicious milk pasta sauce is ready, toss it immediately with your favorite hot, cooked pasta. Garnish with extra Parmesan and fresh parsley if you like. For leftovers, store the cooled sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop, adding a splash of milk if needed to restore its creamy texture. And hey, for easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.